what we are going to learn in LCM and how we are going to calculate sums related to this topic. So before starting, there are some points which you are
Excuse
going
me,
to
ma'am.
remember it. Yes, teacher.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay. Now there are some points which we are going to remember it. The first is, what is the smallest prime number? Now what is the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest prime number is 2. Now second, how many prime number are there from 1 to 50? Now from 1 to 50, how many are the prime number? The prime number means what? The number which is divisible by 1 and itself. वो 1 के टेबल में और खुद के टेबल में जाता है. So that number is called prime number. Now you are going to tell me the numbers which are prime number from 1 to 50. Now you are going to start. Whatever you are going to tell me, that number I'm going to write it down, and afterward we will count exactly there are 50 prime number or not. Okay, the first number you have given, that is 2. Very good. After 2, step by step, huh? Very nice. After 2, 3, because 3 is coming in one table and itself table. Okay. Next, after 3, which number? 4. Is it 4 a prime number? No, because 4 is coming in one table, 2 table and 4 table. And prime number means what? The number which is divisible by 1 and itself. So 4 is not a prime number. Next is what? Next is 5. Next is 5. Very nice. After 5, very good. After 5, there is 7. After 5, 7. Okay. Next, after 7. After 7. Very good. After 7, there is 11. After 7, 11. Okay. No Harsh, 12 is not a prime number. 12 आता है 2 के टेबल में, 3 के टेबल में, 4 के, 6 के, 12 के. So ऐसे बहुत सारे टेबल्स में आया. So that is not a prime number. जब whenever there 2, 3, 4 more numbers are coming, that is called as not a prime number. That is composite number. That is what? That is composite number. So today, now we are learning about prime number. So after 11, it is 13. Very nice. After 11, 13. Next, after 13, very good. After 13, 17. Very nice. After 17, which number will come? Very good. After 17, 19. See, step by step, हमको directly jump नहीं करना है. Is it clear? After 19, very good. After 19, very nice. After 19, 23 is coming. After 23, very nice. After 23, 29. Very good. After 29, very nice. Very good. After 29, 31. Very nice. After 31, very good. After 31, 37. Very good. I am getting answers from the students only. After 37, 41. Very good. After 37, 41. Very nice. After 41, yes, after 41. Very nice. After 41, 43. Very good. After 43, very nice. 47. Someone has written 49. No, 49 is not a prime number. Why? Because 49 is coming in 7 tables. 7 sevens are 49. Then 1 table. Then 49 tables. So 49 is not a prime number. We want only till 50. The 51 will not come. 51 is also coming in which table? Tell me. I want answers from your side. 51 is coming in which table? 51. Yes, it is coming in 17 table. So 51 is not a prime number because 17 table, 51 table, 1 table, more than 2 factors aaye, so that is not a prime number. Prime number means what number? A number which is common factor is 1 and itself table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is it right? There are 15 prime number from 1 to 15. 1 to 50 में कितने prime number है? 15. Is it clear? Prime number means what number? Number which is divisible by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Is it clear? No, Shravani, 15 is not a prime number because 15 is coming in 1 table, 3 table, 15 table, 5 table. There are 15 prime number from 1 to 50. Okay. The next point is co-prime number. The next point is co-prime number. Now, what do you mean by co-prime number? See, co-prime number that means two number which have only one has a common factor. दो नंबर जिसमें कॉमन फैक्टर क्या होता है? ओनली वन. So that is called as co-prime number. It is also known as relatively prime number or mutually prime number. Co-prime number having three names. तीन नाम है. First, it is co-prime number. Second, it is relatively prime number. And third, it is mutually prime number. Now, exactly what is co-prime number? Co-prime number means a number, two number which having only one as a common factor. सिर्फ one उसका common factor है, so that number is called as co-prime number. Now I will explain through example. See, I have written here example of 8 and 15. See here, 8 and 15. I have taken two number लिया मैंने. Now I will write the factor of 8. Now you tell me what is the factor of 8. This all we have learned in our previous class, that is 5th standard, multiples and factors. याद करो. Yeah, very good. First we will start with 1. First, whatever factors we are writing, we are going to write the table of 1 because 1 is coming in all the numbers. So first is 1. Very nice. After 1, 8 और किस में आता है? 2 में. Very nice. After 1, 2. Next number. Very nice. Next after 4. Okay. Next. Very good. Next उसका खुद का table, that is 8. Now we have done with 8. Now we will write the factor of 15. Now factor of 15. Start with, very nice. Start with 1. Then after that, 1 के बाद में 3. Very good. After that, 3. Next, after 3, which table it is coming? 15. Very good. After 3, 5. Okay. After 5, 15 is coming in. No, Fahad, it is not coming in 10 table. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 23 are 30. 15 कहाँ पे आया? Okay. After 5, it is coming in his own table, that is 15. That is what? 15. Okay. Now common क्या है बताओ इसमें अभी? What is the common here? Now in this two number, what is the common? Very good, Daneshwari. Common is 1. Common क्या है? 1. Circle that common 1. Here 1. Because दोनों में 2 नहीं है, 3 नहीं है, 4 नहीं है, 8 नहीं है, 5 नहीं है, 15 नहीं है. Only common is what? 1. So that is what? That is our co-prime number. Clear? Co-prime number means what? Two number which have only one common factor. जिसका common factor क्या होता है? सिर्फ 1. ऐसे दो number you have to tell me two numbers which having only common factor 1. So that number is called as co-prime number. Now I will explain through the second example also. Second example, what I have written? I have written there that is 5 and 9. Now 5 and 9. Now tell me the factor of 5. 5 का factor क्या है? Very good. First हम लोग start करेंगे 1 से. And then उसका खुद का table 5. Very good. Now next 9. 9 का what is the factor of 9? Very good. 1 and another number 3. Very good. 3 के table में भी 9 आता है. Very well. Next 9. Very well. Next it is coming in 9 table. Now tell me the common over here. Common number is which number? Very good. दोनों में common क्या है? 1. दोनों में common क्या है? 1. So what is this? This is which type of number? This is co-prime number. Co-prime number में आपको क्या याद रखना है? Common सिर्फ 1 होता है दो number में. Now it's clear. Okay. Now the last part is our twin prime number. Now what is twin prime number? See, now twin prime number means if the difference of two prime number, if the difference of two prime number is 2, then two prime number, two prime number is called the twin prime number. See. Now just see here, what is twin prime number? Twin prime number means what? Two prime number, जो two prime number होता है, उसके दोनों के difference में 2 आता है, so that number is called as twin prime number. Difference होना चाहिए 2. 2 prime number. We have to take prime number. We have to take prime number. 2 prime number लेना है. उसमें के जो डिफरेंस होने चाहिए वो कितना होना चाहिए? 2. तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टेल अस ट्विन प्राइम नंबर. Now I will explain through the examples. I have written here one example, that is 3 and 5. Just wait. 3 and 5. Now 3 and 5 का first हमको क्या करना है? Prime number करना है. Prime number means we have to find out the co-prime number of that number. We have to find out the prime number. Now 3 means it is coming in 1 table and 3 table. 5 it is coming in 1 table and 5 table. दोनों का common क्या है? 1 है. तो ये क्या हुआ है हमारा? This is our prime number. This is our prime number. Now see 3 and 5. 3 and 5 there is how many difference? Difference कितना है दोनों के बीच में? What is the difference between 3 and 5? Very good. 3 and 5 के difference क्या है? 2. So this 3 and 5 is which type of number? It is twin prime number. Twin prime number means what? हमको 2 prime number लेना है. प्राइम नंबर मीन्स क्या होता है? जो नंबर खुद के टेबल में और 1 के टेबल में आता है उसको बोलते हैं प्राइम नंबर. सो आई हैव टेकन 2 प्राइम नंबर. 2 मतलब ये 3 और ये 5, ये दोनों मिला के कितने हुए? 2 नंबर आई हैव टेकन. 2 prime number we have to take it down. In that we have to see the difference. Difference is how much? Difference is 2. Difference is 2. So that is what? That is our twin prime number. Twin prime number. Now, for example, if I take a number, randomly I am going to take a number 2 and 5. See, 2 ka prime factor is 1 and 2. 5 ka prime factor is 1 and 5. See, the common is 1, 1. But difference is what? How much difference is there? 2 and 5 ka difference? 3. Very good. Difference is 3. So is it prime number? Is it twin prime number? Is it twin prime number? No. Very good. Understood? See, I have taken prime number only, but the difference is 3. Difference कितना चाहिए हमको? Difference हमको चाहिए 2 का. But the difference is 3. So this is not a twin prime number. This is not a twin prime number. So you have to take 2 number which is prime number. But the difference will be only 2. But the difference will be only 2. Now one more example. One more example. See, with the help of example, you people will understood what is twin prime number. Now another example I am taking, that is 5 and 7. See, मैंने 5 and 7 लिया. Now what is the 5 factor? That is 1 and 5. What is the 7 factor? That is 1 and 7. दोनों का कॉमन क्या है? 1 1. दोनों का कॉमन क्या है? 1. Now difference is what? 5 and 7 का difference is what? Difference is 2. Difference is 2. So is it prime number, twin prime number or not? Is it twin prime number? Difference is 2. Common is 1. Very good, Akila. Is it twin prime number? This is twin prime number. This is twin prime number. Now you tell me an example. You give me an example in the chat box so that I am going to solve it in front of you. You give me one example, any one number. Let's see, is it twin prime number or not a twin prime number? Okay, Snehal has given me 4 and 2. Let us solve this 4 and 2. That means 4 and 2. Snehal, she has given the number that is 4 and 2. चलो हम लोग वो solve करके देखते. 4 का common क्या है? 1, 2 और 4. 2 का factor is 1, 2. Now the common क्या है? 1 and 2 also. See, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. दो common आए. So is it twin prime number? Is it twin prime number? No. Very good. Because here common we want only 1. But here common it is showing 2. So this is a wrong number. Is it clear? That means it is not a twin prime number. Okay. Now let's see other number randomly. Another okay. Other number I got, that is Pravir. Okay, Pravir has given the number 11 and 13. चलो देखते हैं हम लोग. प्रवीण ने हमको एक नंबर बताया है, that is 11 and 13. Okay. Now 11 का factor is what? 11 factor is very nice. 1 and 11. 1 and 11. Now another number is 13. Now 13 ka factor. 13 factor is 1 and 13. Okay. Now here common is what? Common is 1. Common is 1. Now difference क्या है इधर? 11 and 13 में difference. Difference is how much? Very good. Difference is 2 only. 2 difference है. So is it a twin prime number? Yes or no? Is it a twin prime number? Yes, it is a twin prime number. बिकॉज कॉमन 1 दिखा रहा है प्राइम नंबर का 2 नंबर लेके एंड डिफरेंस इज ऑल्सो 2. So it is a twin prime number. Now you people have understood what is twin prime number.